Hello everybody, so today we are going to look at Vulnhub.com. So I guess let's begin. I just want to test it's working or not. If it's working, that's fine. So let's get started with. So I just can cut it, and so this is gonna be our Vulnhub machine. So this is chill hack 1, and so let's begin it. So I have already downloaded the file. So it's on my VM. So first of all, let's go edit this. I have already downloaded it, right? But I haven't solved it. I just want to solve it live. So I want to use a processor that's one, and another is NAT network. That's fine. Okay. And before that, I just want to check one more thing. So okay, okay, and there is nothing else. So next is, let's open this terminal, then let's do sudo. Let me just clear out first my RAM. AQ1, then let's do this, then let's do 2. So it clears out all my virtual RAM. So let's exit it out, let's clear it out, cd, then I think it's on virtual. ls grep virtual, or it's on VM. So okay, it's right over here. So I have cd, I guess, chill hack ls. Then I want to change the file, this file. So let's copy this, then let's do sudo v, then let's paste it, dummy, then okay, that's not it, that's fine. So we want to change the Vmx file for that. So I don't want that, I don't want to enable my suspend for some strange reason, right? Okay, then sudo v, then chill vmx. Okay, I can just copy this, then let's edit. Okay, let's go down, then let's write over here suspend the disable equal to true. Let's paste it, let's save it. Then let's run our virtual machine. Let's wait for it to just load. let's wait for it, and before it's loading, then let's see. So this has easy to intermediate difficulties, and it has two uh, user as well as root flag. So hint is to enumerate, and chill hack is a simple machine which provide common real world vulnerabilities tested on VMware Workstation 15. Make sure. So one thing I would like to note it out, when you are doing this Vulnhub, so it's better to use VMware rather than using VirtualBox, because you will get lots of error on it. So I tried it right couple of times. That's my experience for it. Okay, let's do enter. Then let's go to our terminal. Let's go back and let's use our CD. Let's go for desktop, right? Let's make the chill hack. Then let's go inside it. I just want to make it folder just for the stream, and let's I have nothing, so let's use for Vmx. So we are in. That means I just want to test it whether it has. So it didn't work. Okay, something. So I got something wrong or something. CD, let's go back. CD, okay, I need to go one more time back. So when I try to edit that script, it didn't edit it. So I just want to make sure it works. CD, then let's go to VMware. Then let's go ls cd chill hack. So I might have to restart the machine because chill sudo v, then chill hack that vmx. So did I write it twice? No. Let's go down. So what did I write here? So it didn't saved. So I might have to shut it down first. I hate to do this, like it happened like twice, right? Okay, now we can edit it. Then suspend the disabled equal to suspend the disable equal to trua true. Then let's save this. Warning, the file has been changed since it reading it. Yes. Let me just cat it out for a sec. So if I create a new window for that, so if I do ls cat no, I don't mean here. So I need to go inside. So VMware, then cd chill cat, then let's do shift chillhack.vmx. so now it has shown properly. Now we can open it again and let's do it. So I told you the problem was if we don't do that, then we won't get continuous connection. That's why I just want to make sure that it's working that way. Now it's running on, so let's proceed it, right? Let's exit this out, or we can just put it at it's inside desktop, and okay, ls. If I do that, then rm node.txt, let's clear it out, ls. Then let's go inside the folder that I had created, then that's fine. Then let's go to the previous terminal, and this is not the one. So where was my VM is over here. So if I do clear this out and let's exit this, then if I do if config, so here is my LAN network interface. So let's clear this out, sudo net discover interface, let's paste it, let's do enter, then let's do dummy. Let's wait for that scanning. This might take a few seconds. Let's wait for it. Let's see what's out there. Then we need to enable DHCP. That's fine. So I had the guide for, I guess I had the bookmark for reverse shell. So let's see that we need this, right? So I have this bash command. This is for Perl. This is all the reverse shell cheat sheet. It's useful. This is, if you don't know about this website, then that's your bad. It's really good website. You get lots of cheat sheet about reverse shell, and you got SQL injection and user enumeration, web shell, you name it, it's over here. And that's like my favorite go-to website. Whenever I'm doing hacking some stuff, I just want to go over this website and try to find what I need. Okay, I guess we got our IP address for VM. Let's cut this, and we can start by nmap. Okay, do we have anything? Nah. So we can do nmap -sv-sc, and let's use output as nmap.log, then our IP address is 10.10.1.128. Let's wait for it. So that's fine. So this is, so I just want to make it okay, so this is our log for it. So what we have here is FTP is there, then SSH, and there is port 80, that means port HTTP, and we have the anonymous user, this user, and that can view the node.txt. That's good for us, and let's use that first. So let's see what's inside the FTP file. So we can do FTP, then use the IP address that would be 10.10.1.128. Let's do enter. Then we need to give a username, and that is this anonymous. Then let's do enter. Then if we try to do, we don't need help for that. If we do ls, so we have the node.txt, right? Then let's get node.txt. so we have successfully downloaded that. Then let's exit it out. Then let's clear this out, right? We don't need that on our screen. So we have node.txt. So Anurod told me that there is some filtering on string being put in the command. So now let us see the port 80. That means let's go over here, then let's see okay, we have 128. Let's do enter. Here you can see the default web page. So if we try to do view source, so it looked like a normal website, right? It has nothing inside view source. Yep, it has got nothing. So we can do, what we can do is, let's see what's it's about. So it's nothing too much interesting. If we try to search team, so it's not working. If I try to click it, it's not searching at all. It's just for show only. So we can't log in, neither we can register. So that's out of the question. Then our next thing we can do is to use Dirtbuster. So we can okay, we can just clear this out. Then dirt http, then 10.10.1.28. let's do enter. Let's wait for Dirtbuster to work. So we have found couple of directory. That is CSS, that's normal. That is also normal file. Image is also normal file. Let's see the image directory. That means we can get, if we can get something out of image. So no, it's from over here, I guess. Okay, yes, about png, that's fine. This is just a template image. Then we have a JavaScript, then we have a secret folder, right? Okay, let's check that secret folder or directory. Sorry, it has to be a directory. So now there is a command, so we can execute a command. So if we do ls, so it just shows you a alert. Okay, are you a hacker? That's fine. Okay, it's showing that. That means there is another file also. So we have a secret, then we have a secret slash image file. So let's see that. Let's paste it over here, and that's the image. And next one, let's see, next one. Okay, we have this two images, so it's nothing new over there. So if we remember from back from node.txt, so there is some filtering on string being used. So there is a filtration. So what we can do is let's just do Google search for that. So we can do command injection filter bypass. Okay, then let's use this. Then if we remember correctly, here we have string, right? So it's a word, that means. So if we try this to bypass the filter, let's see. So it did work. So if we try to do who am I like this, then it has not been blacklisted, the who am I. So if I try to do ls, then it just shows that same. So we can try it l then s. So it didn't work, so it didn't bypass this. Then we can use it by doing backslash and slash. Okay, that may work. ls, so now it's working. So what if I do cat? Okay, I can just, this is the way to bypass it, etc password. So now it's showing. Then we have this user, so it's working. Basically we want to get a reverse shell over here. So how can we get that? So we can get it by getting a bash reverse shell. That can work. So let's copy this. Let's go over here. So I have, so this is not, so if we try to copy this and paste it over here, and what we can do is bash, let's see for command, then let's use double quotes over here. Let's use double quotes to end over here, and let's use this backslash to bypass the filter. Or we can do, here we have this, right, ls. So if I try to cat it out, right, cat it out index.php. So now if we try to do view source space, here bash php perls remove cat etc has been blacklisted. Then we can use echo shell exe, then we can use a reverse shell. That means we have already crafted that. We can do this. So we want to know the IP address for that. If config wlan 0, so this is our IP address. That's fine, I remember it. So let me do 192.168.1.5. then let's use 4444 or 422. That's the IP address. That's the port number, and let's use netcat lvnp 444. That's fine, already being used. Then nc dash lvnp 4242. Okay, that's the IP address. Then okay, that means now let's copy this and let's execute this. Let's see so it's giving us the prompt reverse. We are getting this cell. Okay, if I do ls, then it's working. That means cat index.php. So if we go back, then it's a same page. Yes, it's a same page. Let's enumerate this. So let's go back. Let's see. Okay, let's see what's inside here. So it's a same content from the same as this. Where is that? Okay, if I 1.128. so this its source file is this. So we just get it a little bit back. So if I do ls, then we have the file. So I just want to check something, right? What if I do ls home? So we have this 3 user, and let's see the files, right? Let's see the files. cd files, and what we have here. So what if we do account cat account.php. So this account.php just check the username and password, and it has edit out, and it just checked the username and password, then it get executed. Then if so, it is just a validation PHP file. So let's do so if I so this cell is kind of annoying, because when I try to press it cat, then it just does it double time. So nah. So what if I try to connect that again? So let me use that connection. Let's try to execute. I hope this time it works. No, it's not working. That's fine. cd files, ls cd. Let's go back, then let's list all the files. So cd files. Okay, it's not working. cd file, then list all the files. Now we can do hacker.php. Here the background. So look, you have reached this far. Look in the look in the dark, you will find your answer. That's fine. We have this png file as well as this gif file, so that's fine. Then let's look at another file, right? So there is our index.php file. So here what we can get is username as root user of database. So we can do user, let's paste it, then we can do enter password as, what's the password for that? I don't know how to pronounce this, right? That's why I just want to say it, password. Let's paste it, then let's do enter, and let's go over here. So now let's try to MySQL user as root, then we have the password, and the password was, let's copy this, let's paste it over here, and let's wait. Okay, it's not working. I am not getting sale from here. Let's cut it. Let's try that again. Let's execute it. Now we got it. That means let's do one thing, right? cd to temp directory. Let's do ls. So there is nothing inside this folder. Then what if we try, okay, we need to what we can do is export x term equal to term. Would that work? ls from environment. So let's check this. Let's see the issue. Let's see. No. Okay, we can open this Reddit. Okay, I got that solution for that. So we can do export term equal to x term. So what about now? So that's fine. We can enumerate this. We have lin enum script. So this is the script. So we can do wget. Let's do this. Let's paste it, and we got it. We can make it chmod execute. I don't know what am I doing with this, but chmod plus x execute lin enum sh. Then let's do ls ls dash la. Then let's run this. lin enum dot sh. Let's wait for it. What else can we get from here? Okay, scan that script has run it. So then we can do is, let's see, it looks like we are hosting Docker site, Docker version 19.03. That's fine. So we have this user and its bash history. That's fine. So we want to see some interesting stuff that we can use. Let's go up. I just want to get at the top. Then let's see the files. Okay, let's go up. Running processes, that's fine. Then we have UDP ports. We have UDP ports that is on localhost. No, this is not the localhost, but it has port 53. So we have the TCP ports, and it's running. Look at here. It's 9001 at localhost. We can do something about this port. We can redirect it or something like that. We can try that. That's the interesting one. So we have the another is name server. That's fine. We don't need that. We have Docker, but its IP address is this. And let's go up. What else can we? Cron job. So etc cron tab. Okay. We have Apache var log 2. That's not interesting. So we have these 3 users folders. So this is also interesting, right? As a sudo as this user you can run this file, run this script. Let's copy this, right? And let's put it at node. Let's copy this. Let's paste it over here. You can use let's do this. Let's do enter. Then we have etc password. That's fine. Let's quit it. Let's clear this out. Okay, we cannot clear this out. That means our only option is to use this. So what we can do is let's do sudo, or we can do it from here. Sudo user as APAAR. Then what was the directory name? So it was home slash, okay, that's not the slash APAAR slash dot HELPLINES dot sh. Let's do enter. Welcome to help desk. Feel free to talk to anyone. So if I do hello, then Bas dash I, who am I, that user, that means we can go do ls, that's fine. So if we try to redirect this, let's take this cell, right? And okay, let's use nc-lv nlv np nc, then let's use 555 ports, then let's go on that. Let's do v0. so here I can see what I can do is to get a reverse connection, so we can get so right now, so we can do bash. Where is that? Where is my pen test? So this is the reverse cell. We are gonna use it to get a reverse cell. That's fine. Let's paste it. So we just have to change our IP address to 192.168.1.5. Then let's put our port number 555. Let's copy this and let's paste it over here. Did that work? Let's do 2. So we have got this user cell, that means ls. So if I do pw, so that's not necessary. So if let's go to home ls cat, okay, this is a directory, right? So if I go for dh, so permission denied, if we do ls dash la, then we can see this is our user. That means if we go to cd apaar, so ls, if I do cat local .txt, that means that's our first user flag. Now we need to get this root flag. So so how can we get this? That means next one is, so if we remember correctly, when we use a Linux enumeration script, we have found this localhost inside this port 9001 was open. That means what can we do about this? We can do, let's see, there are couples of ways to do this. As reverse tunnel. So I just want to remember the how it's done. So let's just check this. local port forwarding. So this is the one we want. So this is gonna be our port number, this is gonna be our local host. So let's do this, right? So for this we want ls.la. So we need to change the ssh file. So we need to authenticate us. So we don't have this password for that la. So if we do authorize underscore keys, so I don't have the correct spelling, so let's copy this. Let's cat it out for. So right now the user root at Ubuntu, so that means we can write this file. So let's split this Windows for a sec, and we can generate the ssh key dash keygen dash f for user appar. So we don't have to give a password. So let's do enter, then let's do ls, then let's do app, that's the username, right? appar, yes. Let's do cat it out, let's paste it. So this is gonna be the local machine ssh key. So let's go up, then we can do echo, right? Okay, let's do echo, then let's paste it over here, let's close this, then let's redirect to athorize. So I just want to make this spelling correct. So authorized key, okay, spelling is correct. Sometimes my typing is incorrect, so I just want to make it sure, right? Authorized keys. So do we have the user? Yes, now we have changed it. Now let's go back over here, let's go to exit, and okay, let's create a new window for that. That means we can do, so if we remember correctly, so we can do local forwarding by this dash l, then the port number. So let's get started with that. So for that, let's do sh dash l port 9001. That means it is going to be redirected to 127.0.0.1, and this is gonna be our port number. So this is important. Now we have that user call this, and we need to log in as 10. So our victim IP address is 10.10.1.128. So if it works correctly, then we have to get a cell over here. So yes, we have successfully authenticated it. That means if I do ls, that's fine, local.txt, we got that. Then now what about msql user as root. Then we have the password for authentication, and we know the password was password. What was the password? This was the password. Let's paste it. Let's do enter. So we have successfully logged in and got into the database. So if I do so data base, okay, we need this. So now we have successfully got into a database. Now we have listed the database. So information schema, MySQL performance. So our focus is on web portal. So next we do use web portal. So we have successfully we are inside the web portal. So tables. So we have the user. So in order to show the user, we can simply do select. So if I remember the query properly, it would be select from, what just happened? Okay, it's working slow because of, okay, let's close it. Let's try it again. Select select, select, then select from user. Let's do enter. Web portal. Okay, so what I have done is I haven't that's the wrong spelling for that, so I can do it again. Select from your users. Let's do enter. So we have the hash for that. Let's copy this, or I could just copy this. Yeah, I could do this, right? Copy this and let's paste it on my notes. Here is my hash. So let's try www.google.com, then MD5 decoder. Let's paste it over here, then let's mountains or hills. Let's authenticate first. Let's wait for it. I'm gonna drink water. Okay, we have those. Then what we can do, we have got our hashes. We need to decrypt it. That means this is not taken. We can try, what we can do is, there is hash identifier, right? If I do this MD5 hash, or we can just copy. Okay, we can do is let's paste it over here. Let's copy this and paste it over here. Let's save this. What we can do is let's be here. Let's go inside this folder. And we can have the txt. If I don't remember the keyword for this. It's been a while since I used John Ripper. If I do JH Johnny. Yep, I guess this is the one. Let's open this. Let's wait for it. Then open the password. It was in desktop. Then it was inside root. That's not the root. If we go at the home, no, we need to go inside the other. Okay, where was the file? So if I go over file system recent, let's go to recent. This is not the file, this is also not the file. Here we are at the dummy. Then we are going to go at the inside desktop. Then we have chill hack. Then we have hash.txt. Let's open this. We have two hash. Then okay, specify the password setting. So option. Then this is the hash stats setting.